Hey there, welcome to the No.1 EduPod. It's great to have you here. I'm Eddy, your host for today. This is where we really get into meaningful conversations about learning. It's not just about hitting the books, it's about challenging ideas and embracing curiosity. Today, I've got a special guest with me, and we're going to explore some genuinely interesting insights and experiences that you can actually apply in your own life. So get comfy, plug in, and let's jump right in. This is the No.1 EduPod, and I'm excited to get started. Jordan, thank you so much for joining us today. We're diving into a topic that's on everyone's minds, but often misunderstood: artificial intelligence. The title of today's conversation is AI Isn't the Future, It's the Present. Can you kick us off by demystifying what AI actually is, without all the hype or fear?
Thanks for having me, Eddy. It's a pleasure to be here. You're absolutely right. AI is often framed as either a utopian dream or a dystopian nightmare. But at its core, AI is simply about making machines smart. It's the broad field of giving computers the ability to simulate or even exceed human intelligence. We're talking about machines that can learn, reason, adapt, and solve problems, much like we do. Think about your smartphone, your car's navigation system, or how social media recommends content. That's AI at work right now.
That's a fantastic way to put it. It's not some far-off concept. It's integrated into our daily lives. We often hear terms like machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. Can you help us understand how these relate to AI and what makes them different?
Absolutely. Think of AI as the big umbrella. Under that umbrella, we have machine learning, or ML. Instead of explicitly programming every rule, we give machines data and let them learn from it, finding patterns and making predictions on their own.
So it's like teaching a child by showing examples rather than handing them a rule book.
Exactly. And within machine learning, we have deep learning. This uses neural networks with multiple layers, inspired by how the human brain works. These deep layers allow systems to process very complex patterns, leading to powerful results, though sometimes they can be unpredictable. And then there's generative AI, which has really exploded recently. Generative AI is built on foundation models like large language models. What makes it so impactful is its ability to create new content, not just analyze or predict, but generate text, images, audio, and even video. Think of it like an advanced autocomplete that can write an entire essay or song by predicting sequences of words based on massive datasets.
So chatbots, deepfakes, and content summarization are all examples of generative AI.
Exactly. That creative capability is what's driven its rapid adoption and why AI feels so present today.
AI clearly isn't just a futuristic idea. Can you give us some historical context? When did all of this begin?
AI research began decades ago, in the 1950s and 60s, with early programming languages like Lisp and Prolog. Expert systems followed in the 80s and 90s. But AI really entered the mainstream in the 2010s with machine learning, then deep learning, and now the boom in generative AI.
We also hear about weak AI and strong AI. What's the difference?
That's an important distinction. Weak AI, or narrow AI, is what we have today. Systems designed to perform one specific task extremely well, like facial recognition or AlphaGo. Strong AI, or general AI, refers to human-level intelligence with self-awareness and emotions. Despite sensational headlines, that remains science fiction for now.
So while we hear talk of singularity or AI implants, the reality today is narrow AI, still incredibly powerful. And that power is already being used to tackle massive global challenges, right?
Absolutely. Take wildlife conservation. Poaching kills tens of thousands of African elephants each year. An organization called Resolve, with Intel's support, developed TrailGuard, AI-powered motion capture cameras that can distinguish humans from animals and alert rangers in real time. This reduces false alarms and enables faster responses, helping protect endangered species.
That's incredible. What about food production?
Another great example. Animal agriculture has a huge environmental footprint. No.1 uses an AI algorithm called Giuseppe to analyze the molecular structure of animal products and recreate them using plants, making sustainable food that still tastes great.
So AI is helping us eat better and protect the planet. What about predicting natural disasters?
Predicting earthquakes has always been difficult. While early warning systems exist, AI is improving accuracy by filtering out noise in seismic data. Researchers are using machine learning to analyze micro-earthquakes and potentially predict larger events, technology that could save countless lives.
And AI can also help with global food security.
Absolutely. Companies like Descartes Labs use machine learning and satellite imagery to predict crop yields with remarkable accuracy, sometimes within 1%. This allows early intervention, reducing famine risk and preventing conflict.
Jordan, this has been an eye-opening conversation. It really reinforces that AI isn't the future. It's here, solving real problems right now. Thank you so much for sharing your insights with us today.
My pleasure, Eddy. Understanding AI beyond the headlines is key to appreciating its real impact.
And that's all for today's episode of the No.1 EduPod. Huge thanks to Jordan, and thank you for listening. Keep challenging ideas, keep embracing curiosity, and we'll catch you next time. Remember to like this video if today's conversation helped you see AI in a new way. It really helps the channel grow and lets us keep bringing you meaningful conversations like this one. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode of the No.1 EduPod. We drop fresh discussions every week that challenge ideas, spark curiosity, and help you learn beyond the classroom. And finally, drop a comment below. What surprised you most about AI being present, not future? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode.